Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is the fourth part of the text box basically. Text box means user controls basically. So the question basically is now is one person basically told that this was not tested basically. And mostly basically it's very difficult to test also because to create one city basically it take basically how many rupees basically? It takes minimum basically how many rupees? Lots of people says that 35 lakh crore. 40 lakh crore. 40 lakh crore, it's a big, huge amount basically. So that was basically the answer basically. Might be the answer from the finance department basically. But here the satellite group basically told that it's a huge universe basically. And in huge universe basically, Earth planet is basically just simple one normal planet basically. So without testing basically, you are not supposed to upload anything basically. So text box basically was already used by the space, and because in space basically lots of computers basically are accessing. That also basically high tech computers. That also basically the big level computers basically. So they also basically know, they were basically also not aware basically, or basically they trusted the group basically, set of groups. That also might be possible because. So here the thing is basically the Russian group basically, mostly basically the IT industry basically, entire IT industry basically, whatever things basically what I am telling basically, that Russian group basically can understand what actually he is telling, Sunil or NAIR basically, what actually he want to say, that Russian, why? Because the Russia and the European group basically has created the world basically. And in world basically, text box is one just simple object basically. So the Russian group basically know actually what I want to say, and they basically understood, might be understood, might able to basically know, might basically able to understand basically that what actually Sunil want to say. That this was, they also basically will accept basically that this was not tested basically, because to create one city basically takes 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh, 70 lakh, 80 lakh crore basically. So it's a huge amount basically. But universe basically it's a very big, huge basically. Because Earth planet ended more than 6 crore time. More than 6 crore basically the animals are created. So in next video basically we will say a little bit more about this.